We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it is time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and it's December. Time to cool down. It's getting cold outside, and it's the arrival of winter. 其實呢，在我們農曆上面就有所謂的冬至，怎麼說？
冬至。
冬至。All right, so that's the arrival of winter called 冬至 or in Hakka 冬至。
錯。
沒錯哈。
Hey.
And basically that day is where the daytime is the shortest, therefore nighttime the longest. And a lot of people, a lot of Chinese, including Hakka of course, like to eat this particular food called 湯圓。
扮演。
湯圓啊？
就扮演。
什麼扮圓？扮圓啊？
沒該
什麼扮圓？現在跟中秋節沒有關係咯。
你要，我們客家人都說你會吃拌饃啊，你要不要吃那種年糕啊、發糕之類都是拌吶。
是哦，拌圓就是湯圓。
哎，扮演，非常還血演。
還有血哦，哇，好恐怖啊！血
演啊，它叫白板，好像下雪一樣血演。
白板，你為什麼說白板？
不是白板啦，白白的。
哦，白白的 ，OK 哦。我覺得我們要好好的教到底講湯圓要怎麼說。
扮演，還做得講血演
or 血演 ，OK， 扮演 or 血演。But anyways, those are two different ways you can say rice balls in Hakka. You know, 湯圓 is round. 哦，它是圓圓的，圓圓雞是不是？圓圓雞扮演，圓圓雞扮演，圓圓的湯圓，
非常圓圓雞血演，
或圓圓雞血演哦，也是一樣哦。And Alice， 我聽說呢有一個習俗哦，蠻好玩的。It's a very interesting tradition that when you're eating these rice balls, a bowl full of rice balls, and you keep on eating it 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, OK， 一次都要2顆吃。當你剩下來的幾顆的時候，就剩下可能只剩下1顆或2顆，對不對？或者3顆、10顆有可能反正只要是剩下來的是 odd number， 也就是奇數。Okay, if you're left with an odd number at the end, that means you're not married. On the other hand, if you're left with an even number， 如果剩下來的是2、4、6顆那就表示你是已婚者了。
跟你係2、4、6。
沒有，我在問你剩幾顆明明你剩4顆在那裡。
你去嘎啦。
好了， that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼太嘎？
俺是誰？張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.